Welcome or welcome back to WatchAdvisor on YouTube. It's Alexander speaking, your host, and in the background you can already see on your screen the Jaeger-LeCoultre logo, and this is the reason why I'm here in Paris. In Paris, Jaeger-LeCoultre, or Jaeger-LeCoultre as the French say, they built an exhibition for the 90th anniversary of the legendary Reverso, the watch you can turn around, the watch, a rectangular watch that has a case that you can flip and you can have both sides. It's incredible. It's really the history of that legendary watch they're showing here, and they have not forgotten to show anything. It's really very comprehensive exhibition you are going to attend if you want. You have to register online. The entrance is free. You have a guidance by headphones you get, so you can walk through, do what you want, take your time and enjoy those pieces. It's really difficult to miss that exhibition when you once come to Paris, and probably you do that for some Christmas shopping or just to spend a nice weekend. It is at the corner Rue Saint-Honoré Faubourg and Rue Boissy d'Anglais, 8th district in Paris, and you see here, couldn't be smaller. It's really covering the building that poster announcing this exhibition of the Reverso. If you are in Paris, don't miss it. It is still open until the 24th of December. And I will go in now and quickly show you what's inside, okay? So come on with me and enjoy.
First of all, it's a must-do. You will discover Reverso in all angles that you have not seen before. The technical complexity, the beauty of its design, its history, and unique pastries that you will come back for again and again.
Don't forget to subscribe and to hit the bell to get our latest notifications.
So let me bring you in there. This is the exhibition. This is where you're going to register. The only thing you need to get in there is a proof of vaccination, and then you are here. Oh, we are coming in.
Bonjour, bienvenue à l'exposition Reverso.
Voila, you heard, we have been welcomed, very friendly. And it's the first impression what you see here. This is a piece of art done by an artist based in New York, Michael Murphy. It is the Reverso 90ème, the Reverso that has been built for the 90th anniversary, and you can see wheels, you see the dial, and really it's kind of a explosion of a Reverso, a huge one, we have to say. And this is how they welcome you to discover the universe, or the universe of this incredible watch, timeless watch. An important phrase, we will see that phrase all over the place again and again, and it says Reverso intemporel depuis 1931. That means the watch is timeless since 1931. Now follow me please, and you come to the first part of the exhibition. It's where the manufacturer introduces himself to the visitors by explaining a little bit where they come from, who were the founders, who were the people behind Jaeger-LeCoultre. It's about Monsieur LeCoultre. Jump into the history. You see first early advertisings promoting this total new watch. Reverso avec le cadran visible, c'est une montre de ville, meaning with the visible dial, it's a watch used daily in town. D'un geste, on la retourne, c'est une montre de sport, meaning with one gesture you flip it and you have a sports watch. Yes, this was the purpose of having the watch done, that you have that other side, that flipped side, with protecting the glass. And you all know that when the Reverso was done first in 1931, there was no sapphire crystal available. It was regular glass, and of course that would easy break. So here in this showcase is the early registration of the watch, done in March 1931 here in Paris. And to start, you can also discover the very, very first Reverso in a showcase here, dating back from 1931. And it is here that you can read this either in French when you speak French, or if you read French, and if not, you scan the code, you have your own headsets, and you do your own tour. You walk from one showcase to the other showcase, And this enables you to discover the exhibition without any guidance. You are your own guide. And you see here, we are now in the year 1932 and so on. It's really very, very educative, and you really see different watches. Once you arrive on the second floor, you will discover the history of style and design, l'histoire d'un style et d'un design, and it is Jaeger-LeCoultre Reverso showing you the very first Reverso, dating from 1931, already having a red dial, and it was already then when people asked for special editions with colored dial. And so it is in the very early days already of the Reverso that the Reverso was not only a watch manufactured as the manufacturer wanted it, but as clients wanted it. What would be the Reverso without its proper movements? They have built a kind of a wall where you see different movements that have been specifically done for the Reverso, starting with some very first ones in 1933 up there, and you see a whole collection of different movements, and they have all been specifically manufactured in the Vallée de Joux by Jaeger-LeCoultre. Innovation never stops when Jaeger or Jaeger-LeCoultre is dealing with the Reverso. We see here the Reverso Tribute Minute Repeater. We see, or we should see, it's empty. The showcase is empty in the moment. The Reverso Tribute Tourbillon. It shows that they are really having lots of variations. Here in that little showcase you have the Reverso Géographique, and beside of it is the Reverso Chronographe Retrograde. So lots of declinations of the watch. And here is a huge display showing you the highlight, the absolutely highlight, the Reverso Hybris Mechanica Caliber 185. And we have an own video of it on our channel. So if you have not seen the video, please look at it. We will have an insert for you to discover this video. A touch screen, you choose your language, and then you are invited to really touch to discover. Do you see? Things happen, you go through, and it's very interactive. I love it. Everything to discover when you come to Paris. So this is really something special I can offer you now out of this exhibition here in Paris. This is called the Reverso Discovery Workshop. And what you do exactly is you do dismantle and build again the case of a Reverso. Normally this workshop is only done in French language. Ça se fait en français. But for you, Jaeger-LeCoultre has organized a special session. It will be on the 18th of December. Details will follow here in the video. And if you are interested to do this, normally you pay 150 euros to do the workshop. It is going to be free for you. The only thing you have to do is you have to show up at the right place in the right moment. You have to come to Paris, you have to be here, and you have to sign in. We will give you all information, all necessary information, and it's Jaeger-LeCoultre who is going to invite you to attend this workshop in English, of course, and it will help you because I know French is not the language everybody talks. And yeah, check in the description of the video, of this video, all details. You will find all details, how you get there. And if you need more additional information, please shoot me an email at alexander@watchadvisor.com, alexander@watchadvisor.com, and I will be more than happy to give you all information how to get to this workshop that is exclusively set up for you guys, for our community at WatchAdvisor. So don't miss the occasion where you get in here and you see here Atelier d'Antoine, and this is where everything starts. The third floor of the exhibition is dedicated to the craftsmanships of Jaeger-LeCoultre, Jaeger-LeCoultre. And you see there's a watchmaker here doing some work, and you will be able to discover all the different craftsmanships. Either it's painting of dials, making incredible creations on the side of the Reverso, on the flipped side, as you can see here. And it is about discovering these marvels. For instance, here there is a Reverso exposed, and I will show it to you. It is from 1933, and it is from the Eton College. It shows a Reverso featuring decoration of the Eton College, for instance. And here, if you want, you can try to decorate the main plate. These are the plates, and you can see here, depending on how I film, it's the perlage. You can decorate one of these plates by using this machine, and you can take this little item later at home. And of course, if there's art coming to the case, the flipped case of a Reverso, there's always one artist behind, and you see her. She's Sophie, and it's her. She is the person who is doing all the enamel paintings on a Reverso. And this little video shows her in a museum where she's discovering a Klimt, Gustav Klimt. She discovered the original picture in a museum to take the impressions home to then reproduce them on a Reverso. One floor to go until we reach the coffee, 1931 coffee. It's on the fourth floor. I'm now standing here in front of the entrance of the Reverso Cafe. You can really, try some incredible sweets, I have to say. They are created by a chef called Nina Métayer. You see her here. She is a well-known, renowned chef, and she has been or is creating those sweets for you. And you have here, yes, the Reverso Cafe. I'm just filming quickly in, and you see people are sitting, enjoying and having coffee and some sweets. So once you have seen the whole exhibition and you have enjoyed a coffee and some sweets up on the fourth floor in the cafe, you come down, and yes, before getting out, you have to go through the boutique. What Jaeger-LeCoultre has done here is they have brought some of the watches from their proper boutique on Place Vendôme, where they have a huge, really huge boutique. And if you are keen to buy a watch, you can do that. And you can try them on, and you can really, out of the inspiration you took from your visit, continue to dream, not only dream. Yes, you can make your dream come true and buy one of the watches, and they're sold right here. Well, life is nothing without a souvenir, and of course you can take your souvenir home. They have been installing a little photo booth here at the end of the exhibition, and you already see me here. That's me. And I will now film myself and push the button. Here, I will push the button, look into the camera and make a nice picture. Oh well. 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Here it is. That's the picture that came out of that photo booth. I'm happy I did it. I saw the exhibition here in Paris, and once again here I have to show you this beautiful phrase, Reverso immortel, intemporel, immortel, we can also say, depuis 1931. It's really what you should discover here in Paris. When you come to Paris before Christmas, the exhibition is open until the 24th of December. Do register online to get in there, to get your slot, and bring along a proof of vaccination or that you have been tested, and you're good to go. Then enjoy, have fun. Thanks for watching this video, of course, here from Paris. And yeah, stay tuned on WatchAdvisor.com. There's much more, or WatchAdvisor on YouTube, of course. There's much more to come in the future. Bye.